So guys, how are you doing? Now that we've done now in the past video I taught you the meaning of this. So in any OOP they're teaching you any day, or they're mentioning OOP any day, every time you say this you know what it means. Now we wrote these four functions. Let us try and use them. So remember that this class started here and ended here. So beneath it, beneath the class, we can try and use it. So let's now create instances of this class. Remember that I told you that the class is basically the skeleton. It's a data type defined by the programmer, like the production line we talked about. The production line has how many segments? We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. So we want to use it to produce a book right now, alright? So we can come here and define a variable. I can do physics. We are trying to create a physics textbook. We can do then we need to instantiate. So instantiate. I'm writing this out so you see the spelling of the word. You understand? It's important. So to instantiate a class, we can do new. We'll call the name of the class. So the name of the class is books. Okay. So we're creating a new copy of books. And now let us now create the title for a physics textbook. All right. So we can now do physics. We now use this arrow button. I know you've been seeing this arrow in a lot of programming languages. Finally, you're going to know what it means. So we use this arrow button, and then we can, with this arrow button, we can start accessing this any function that is inside this class. All right, that is defined with public. You see, that's why I put public function. You understand? If it is private, you can't just access it just like that, and we'll get to that. All right. So that's why I used public, so we can access it. So now we need to set the title. So we can do a set title, physics set title. See? So let's set the title of the physics textbook. Let us call it Introduction to Physics by a famous physics author called P.N. Okay, that's his name, a famous author. Alright, so we've set the title. Alright, now let us try and set the price too. We'll do the same thing for the price, then we'll try and print it out. We can do physics set price, and we're gonna say the price is $34. $34 or whatever. Then we are going to try and get it. Let's go and open this page first of all before we try and get it. So we're going to open this page, and it's called index.php, and it's in OOP tools. So if I go to my browser and load localhost /OOP-tools, and since it's named index.php, to open. So I'm expecting a blank page. Exactly, that's what I got, a blank page. Alright, because we've not tried to do anything. Now let us use it. We can now say physics get title. We don't need to do anything. It's going to echo the title. Let's see. We'll go to this place and refresh. Undefined variable fit. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake in the way I spelled it. So I'm just going to copy this and this. We're good. We'll refresh. And guess what? It gives us the title. It says Introduction to Physics, PN or KK. You get what I'm saying? Now, this is where it becomes interesting. Let us do this for the chemistry. Okay, first of all, before we'll go for the chemistry, let me set the price. Get price. It's gonna merge the two. It's gonna concatenate the two in a way that is not cool, but it has printed it an Introduction to Physics, PN or KK, then 34. So let us do something cool before we end this video, and which is coming to the price. We can tell it to print a BR so that the price goes to the next line. And we can do it for the title too. The title should go to the next line. All right. So for the price, I want to do something like this. The price is in dollars. All right. I'll do price. Then here I'll do exactly the same thing for the title. What I'm just doing now is to make it appear nice and cool to read. Title. Alright, we're good. So let's go check it out. We refresh, reload, and boom, that's where we have it. You see, title, introduction to physics, price $34. I think this looks cool. Alright, so let's stop this video here. In the next video, I'll show you why this is very important and interesting, because someone watching this for the first time will be like, why the hell are we going all these steps to achieve just a simple thing? Alright, see you in the next video.